Shorten contingency timeframes. Within a contract, when we present an offer, we have certain contingencies. One of the contingencies is attorney approval. Another is mortgage commitment date, home inspection date, and close date. If we understand what the seller's looking for and they are looking for a quick close, it's important for us to know that maybe we are able to tighten those dates. So, for instance, typical time frame for an attorney approval is 3 business days. Maybe we already have an attorney we can communicate with and see how quick we could get attorney approval. The mortgage date, could we get the appraisal ordered quickly, get your application in, get the appraisal ordered quickly, need to have communication with the lender. And also the home inspection. Typical time frame for an inspection is 10 to 12 days after signing the contract. Can we shorten that time frame? Really important to have that list of inspectors ahead of time and see if they can accommodate a quick home inspection. So shortening contingency dates most certainly can stand out in front of a seller to get your offer accepted.